Have you heard of the satellite investment strategy? I gotta be honest, until I started listening to the audiobook How Not to Invest, I hadn't heard of it either. So I did some research and had AI put together a little video about what exactly it is and how it might benefit us and our portfolios. Stay tuned.
Have you ever heard the term satellite investment portfolio and wondered what that actually means? Well, let's break it down, because unlocking this strategy could seriously level up how you invest. So imagine your portfolio is like the solar system. At the very center, you've got your core. These are your safe, reliable investments. Think broad market index funds or blue chip stocks. The core is what keeps your portfolio stable, especially when the market gets rocky. But here's where it gets cool. Orbiting around that core, you have your satellites. These are smaller, riskier, and potentially higher reward investments. Maybe it's a hot new tech stock, a REIT, or even a slice of cryptocurrency. Satellites let you chase extra growth without risking everything you've built at the center. This mix gives you the best of both worlds. Your core holds down the fort, while the satellites give you the chance to catch big wins. The beauty? You can customize your satellites to fit what excites you, whether that's clean energy, emerging markets, or even collectibles. But remember, the key is balance. Most of your money stays in the core. The satellites are just there to spice things up. Don't go all in on a satellite and jeopardize your whole plan. So, if you want to take control and make your portfolio work harder for you, consider this core satellite approach. It's simple, smart, and totally beginner-friendly. Give it a try and see how your investing confidence grows.
Thanks for watching. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Cheers.